beautiful sunny morning. The girls decided to lay a big bucket of eggs this morning. They slowed down a little bit, but it looks like they're back at it. They're beautiful birds. Some of them are showing winter, the rest are looking pretty good. And they're singing away, clucking away. This is my injured girl. The poor thing got keeps being chewed on by a rat. And she has just one leg, but she's still a happy bird here. Good morning, cute pie.